Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to introduce you our new model of range hood. What's special is this range hood can use a remote to control it. Let's show it. It is auto slide out and closed. You see it? When we turn the machine on, it slides out automatically. Light on. It has 3 speeds: slow speed, medium speed, and fast speed. And it has 2 lamps. The reaction of remote is very quickly, and the suction power can reach 1,500 cubic meters per hour. We can see the suction is very strong, right? Okay. When you turn off the machine, and it closes automatically.